Shenoy Digital YouTube channel presents today's vlog on Patna. Patna, the ancient city of Pataliputra, once the political heart of the Mauryan Empire, now houses one of India's most thoughtfully designed cultural spaces, the Bihar Museum.
Inside the museum complex lies a treasure often overlooked by casual visitors, the museum library.
Just like Nalanda and Vaishali universities, knowledge here is meant to be shared in dialogue, discussion, and reflection. Beyond the galleries lies the museum's quiet intellectual heart, its library. Open to scholars and students, it continues a tradition that once made Bihar the global capital of learning through great universities like Nalanda and Vaishali. Knowledge here is not preserved, it is shared.
As we enter the open amphitheater courtyard, the architecture itself begins to tell a story.
The open amphitheater welcomes visitors, not just as spectators, but as participants in a continuing story of knowledge and culture.
Stepping into the Buddha Courtyard, the atmosphere changes instantly. Calm, reflective, almost meditative.
This land witnessed the spiritual journey of Siddhartha Gautama, who attained enlightenment nearby in Bodh Gaya more than 2,500 years ago.
This space is inspired by Bihar's profound connection with Gautama Buddha, who attained enlightenment in Bodh Gaya, not far from here. The courtyard is intentionally quiet and contemplative, echoing the philosophical silence that shaped one of humanity's greatest spiritual revolutions.
At the center stands a remarkable circular installation, a modern artistic interpretation inspired by the Dharmachakra, the wheel of Buddha's teaching. The geometry symbolizes the cycle of knowledge and enlightenment, reminding visitors that Bihar was once the global epicenter of spiritual thought. From Bodh Gaya to Nalanda, this land transformed philosophy into lived wisdom.
This intricate sculpture is known as the Silent Sermon. Dozens of small human figures circle a central vessel, representing seekers gathering around knowledge. It symbolizes the turning of knowledge, the spread of wisdom, and the eternal movement of ideas across civilizations.
Just as Buddha taught through silence at times, truth often emerges in stillness.
The museum now reveals the geographical canvas of history. Across Bihar lie some of the world's most important archaeological sites: Nalanda, Rajgir, Vaishali, Vikramasila, Bodh Gaya. For centuries, this region shaped the intellectual and political destiny of Asia.
The timeline begins thousands of years ago. From prehistoric settlements to the rise of the Mahajanapadas, the early republics and kingdoms of ancient India, Bihar was already becoming a cradle of civilization.
The world of museums is in a state of constant evolution, breaking free from the conventional mold of static relic chambers. While they still serve as repositories of history and culture,
The Mauryans, under Ashoka, carried Buddhist philosophy across continents. The Gupta age ushered in a golden era of science, mathematics, and art. This land was shaping the intellectual foundations of the ancient world.
Centuries passed. New dynasties emerged, including the Palas, patrons of Buddhist learning, and later Sher Shah Suri, whose administrative reforms reshaped governance across India. Each era added a new chapter to Bihar's layered heritage. Here we meet the story that changed the world. A prince who chose renunciation over royalty, Siddhartha Gautama, who became the Buddha. His search for truth began here and transformed the spiritual landscape of humanity.
The museum beautifully narrates his journey, from prince to seeker, from seeker to the enlightened one. His teachings of compassion, mindfulness, and balance spread from Bihar to Asia and beyond. Few places in the world have influenced global thought so profoundly.
Museums today host a diverse range of exhibits, from classical art to contemporary installations, and they often feature rotating displays that cater to changing tastes and interests.
And as our journey ends, standing here at the Bihar Museum, Dr. Mohan T Shenoy, Dr. Vaishali Nagesh, and Dr. Rana Bhattacharjee share a quiet moment of fulfillment. Because this museum is more than a building, it is a reminder that civilizations are built not only on power, but on ideas, learning, and the courage to seek truth.
Bihar reminds us that civilizations rise not only on power and wealth, but on ideas, learning, and the courage to seek truth. And perhaps that is the museum's greatest lesson.
from Patna, the ancient Pataliputra, Shenoy Digital enjoyed bringing this video to you from Bihar, where history continues to inspire the present. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.